So now I've cut a hole in this opening, and this illustrates one of the really better tools that I like, one of my favorite tools. This is a Dremel with a tile bit. I never used it to cut tile, but something like this, it's got a rough edge all around this thing. It's really good to cut this out here, this Masonite. I cut to 3/4 of an inch so I can have some backing on that board. Put that guy right there and I can screw it in here. So something like this is really good to, this kind of thing to cut this into here. For the rest of it, I use the jigsaw. So I gotta put this board here, screw that, and then cut up a little more to get another one the same size up here, and I'll be done. So I'm gonna secure this board, and one thing I like to do when I'm remodeling is be very precise on the placement and measurement of all things one is doing. So I have a level here, and so when I put this board up here, I'm going to make sure it's level. So the bottom of this board is going to be level with this guy. And then when I screw things, I put it on not the high speed, that's high speed, but the higher torque, slower speed, greater torque. Okay. Now I can measure with my other board. Cut here, cut that out. This I'll sand off. It's kind of mucked up here, but and I'm going to stuck on the house anyway, so I don't care that this does not match this. The house will be stuck on it anyway. So now I've got that board in place. So those two boards, patch that wall. I'm going to throw some paint on there. Notice also I caulked around the perimeter of the new boards to get a better seal in there. So I'm going to throw some paint on there, and then I can start working on the inside again.